always so boring, and I don't know why I'm still in love, yeah. You never care about gifts, never care nothing. You said that you had no time for that. And when I made a plan, you always so boring, and I don't know why I'm still in love, yeah. You never care about gifts, never care nothing. You
Chat, what is good, man? Welcome back. How we doing? What's good? What's good? Whoa, what's going on? Yeah. Yo, how we doing, man? What's good, chat? Welcome back. So, well, this is way too loud in my head. How is everyone doing, man? What's good? What's good? What's good? Mark, Kathleen, Gabriel, what's good? What's good? Dylan, how's everyone doing? What's good? What's good? MK, Gondi's here. Eugene, Crypto Maniac, what's good? How's everyone doing, man? Welcome back to the stream. Welcome back. It's Monday, man. What's good, Levi? Cool. Malinko, what's good? Chat, come say hi, man. Who's here? Who's here? Come say hi if you're here, man. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Louis, what's good? So yeah, chat, listen. We're back. It's Monday. Michael, what's good? Yeah, so listen. Okay. Let me just do this real quick. Put my little powder in my drink. How was everyone's weekend, though? Tell me that first. How was everyone's weekend? Hopefully you guys had a good weekend. Productive one. I don't know if anyone pulled up to the Instagram live stream. That was pretty fun, I can't lie. What's good, Daniel? How you doing, man? How's it going? Yeah, Mark, I'm chilling, bro. Thank you very much for asking, my friend. Thank you very much. Okay, nice. So, we're all sorted over here on this side. Just shake this up. Perfect. So, chat. Let's do the analysis, man. Why not? So, listen, on the monthly, we're doji right now. I mean, we've been sat doji for a while. I did my analysis yesterday. I don't know if you guys are in the Instagram broadcast group. If not, if you're in the Discord, you saw the video analysis that I sent in. But essentially, we've sort of made a range here between the monthly high and low. Between these two areas here, basically. And, yeah, we're sort of trending between these two right now. The weekly... To be honest, the weekly's come down bottom wick first. I mean, it did make a small top wick, but I would say that's probably not the entire wick for the week. You've come down, made a wick, and started to reject a little bit too, which is very interesting. You tapped into below 24.92, which realistically could mean that you could push up, because 24.92 is a support that we do have on the daily. Now, essentially, you can either... do one of two things here, chat, right now. You can either come down and fill the weekly wick, which is down at 24.73, or we tap into this support and reflip, which is what we're looking to do, to be honest. 4 hour as well has no top wick. I didn't notice that until just now, but yeah, the 4 hour has no top wick, which could mean obviously at any point we could start to flip and continue up. Now on the 1 hour, what can we see? On the 1 hour, I would say, to be honest, you've got a level... Oh, let me get the right line tool up. Yeah, so you got a level, I would say, around here. Yeah, 24.94. I mean, to be honest, you could put it a little bit, a little bit higher at 24.99, 24.98. I think we had yesterday. Yeah, 24.98 is probably the cleanest level here. So if you get a closure above there, should be good to go. Actually, you're not very far off of that. You're literally about 40 pips away, but I would say also if you do close, to be honest, the way that you're closing now above this area here, 24.91, should bring you up the rest of the range till 24.98. So if we do close exactly like this in 10 minutes time, we can look to take some buys to continue up to the top of this range. After that, we'll probably look at 25.06 for buys. 25.07, sorry, the range was yesterday. And then for sells, any closures back below 24.91 will take us probably most likely down to around 24.86, 24.84 areas. Chat, that's the little analysis right there. Very simple right now, but essentially, you do close above here in about 10 minutes time, you could get some buys to fill up the rest of this range after tapping into the support area. But other than that, we'll look for buys above 24.98 and 25.07, and that'll be essentially our plays for today. Does that make sense, chat? Hopefully it does, guys. Hopefully it makes sense. If it does, make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you're new. Other than that, let's start the week right. No news today too. No news today, which is very, very interesting. Very interesting. Bro, it's cold. I'm up 97 pips and forgot to trail my stop loss. Runners up, ended up BE. Bit sad from 97 pip runners to 10 pips. It is what it is, Gib. Don't worry. Lovely. do you mean it's cold? Bro, raining outside in the UK right now and it's freezing cold. Pre-London wild today? Yeah, it was. It actually did move quite a lot, you're right. How you doing today, bro? Yeah, I'm chilling, MK. How about you, man? You got rain? Yeah, loads of it. It's like big storms. Windy out. Morning, Charlie. How's it going, man? I might have to put a hoodie on. Yeah, chat, listen, 10 minutes to this 1 hour close. I want to see if we can close around here, get a bottom wick. Should be good to fill the range up till at least like 24.97, as we have done in the past at this area. Grabbed a lot of liquidity too, which is great. I lost a hoodie, set me one. Crazy. He's out here begging for hoodies. Move to Greece. But I definitely will be moving somewhere. Need to figure out where. I'm so conflicted on where, but yeah. Definitely will, bro. I need an apartment like this. Wait, I'll show you. I need an apartment exactly like this. This sense. Like that. Some crib like this where it's got like a nice ass balcony over a city. That's what I want. Eugene, if you come to Greece, I'll let you in my house. Crazy. Does the daily candle look like it's going to flip up? Yeah, it does, bro, to be honest. It does, but we'll see, right? It won't. It's not necessarily going to happen, but I mean, you're not very far off. You're literally like 30 pips away. Literally my house. Crazy. Gyros, I see red. Hey, what's good, Calm? You red, man? You looking for sales or what? Yeah, listen, realistically, if the 30 can flip and close below 24.91 as well, we'll take some clean sales. I placed in Egypt, had a balcony just like that. Bro. It's exactly what I need, man. Exactly what I need. Proper stacked dinner tonight. What is it, Max? What is it? Oh, yeah, chat, though. This could be clean for sales, to be honest. To be honest, realistically, I expect a position either way, right? On this closure. Obviously, if the right things form, but if you close back below this level, essentially now what you would have made is you've just made another lower high, right? So you made a low, lower high, low. This will be a lower high. And then this will be another lower high that you just made. And then you expect it to come down and make another lower low, right? Take the sales down towards that. But again, you got 6 minutes here, chat. So you want to see how this forms. I don't want it to close like weak bullish either. That'd be pretty shit. Alright, but cool. We've got a lot of potential here today. Yeah, these cells look clean, to be honest. Body smoke, we rip him. Yeah, we are. I wanted us to close below. What? I want us to close below 24.92. Anywhere there will be good, in my opinion. 15 minute came down. Top wick, bottom wick first. Sorry. Remember, chat. It's only Monday, right? You gotta be patient. Got to be patient. FBG. Trendlines, how come you trade like post-London? Isn't there really low volume compared to pre-London and London Open? Yeah, I guess there is, but we actually used to get a lot of volume at like 9 p.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. around that time. There used to be a lot, to be honest, but yeah, I see that. Realistically, if I move somewhere with a different time zone, I'll probably start streaming earlier, but at the minute I can't be asked to wake up at 7 a.m. and then also stream London. It's just too much. So I'm up super late anyway, like I always work into the night. I don't know, the way that I'm most productive is when I work sort of into like 1 a.m., 2 a.m. and that's when I do my best work, so If I was going to wake up at 7, it'd be a bit too tough, to be honest. Okay, 30-minute flip though. You do have a decent amount of volume here as well. You do have a decent amount of volume. I do believe you should tap into 24.98 if you do close strong bullish here. But let's see, chat. Focus up, lock it in. Welcome back to the streams, and most importantly, drop a like if you haven't already, man. Appreciate you guys very much for pulling up. And let's kill the week, man. It should be a great week. Zulu, what's good? Badge, what's good, brother? How's it going, man? Okay, 4 minutes to the closure, chat. Four minutes, man. But yeah, I think it should be a great week, to be honest. You've got a lot of potential, especially you've got so much room to come down and fill this wick. And then obviously if you do start to reject at that point, you can take some bias to come back up, to be honest. But realistically, should be a lot of potential. A lot of potential. Oh. You have a minor rejection here, right? But firstly, I think that might have been news. Secondly, even when you did reject here, you did still come up and tap 24.98, right? Every time you rejected, you still come up and tap it. So that being said, I think you should be good. Any tips to not go on tilt after unfollowed plan losses? Bro, that is so funny you say that, because I literally spent yesterday evening recording a video about how to not go on tilt after you take a loss. Just walk away. Just give yourself a rule that the moment you take a loss, you walk away. And then you, like, you know, you're away from the charts. But what I would say is just understand that if you go on tilt, you're not going to make back your loss. You're going to make it worse. You need to know that. You know, understand that when you're going on tilt, the reason why is because you're not thinking straight. And when you're not thinking straight, you shouldn't be trading. Okay, chat, one sec. Let me load up the broker. Alright, cool. Okay, chat, so 1 hour close, sorry, here in about 1 minute's time. Lock it in a little bit. Hopefully we can grab ourselves a bottom wick on this candle open. And then take the flip to continue up. Wick fill gives you around 20 pips right now. It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Is gold gonna play ball? I don't know. That's the question. Ten seconds, chat. Focus up. Okay, so you closed on the 30, you got, okay, not too bad. You gap up. Yeah, you gapped up a little bit. Very weird. Top wick first though, chat. There you go. Bro, it's so funny how this fucking pair works. It's so funny to me, man. Good old gold, yeah, trust me. Literally exactly what we expected, to be honest. Yeah, we move, man. We move, chat. Oh. Okay, chat, so realistically, since we did that, came up top wick first, and now we're flipping, I think most likely you're going to start to push down a little bit here. Whether that's going to be a top or a bottom wick or whatever, I don't know, but I think you will start to push down here. You still have like 25 pips to the top of the range, but I'm really not the biggest fan of this anymore. The most likely I'd want to see now a closure below 24.91. Yeah, it could be a fake out. Yeah, 100%. A fake out would be clean as well. Fake out would be very, very clean. 4-hour close in 1 hour. Yes, indeed. So if it's on the next 30-minute, then good. Otherwise, we probably have to wait for the 4-hour. But listen, the first closure that we've seen on stream all week, so I'm not going to rush anything. Just take our time. Oh, the 4-hour does look good though. Ooh. Going through the breakup of my life, to be honest, after 3 years, and it does suck and it's awful crap to cope with, but it is what it is. I feel like that happens, we just move on. Brother, I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that, Catalin. That's tough, man. What I'd say is focus on yourself for the next at least year, and the best revenge is success, right? So just fucking lock in. The best way to get past it as well is just to focus on yourself. You're already locked in, like you're already trading and go to the gym and shit, but double down. Become super successful and yeah. Time for the gym, yeah, the gym gains, get back like nuts. Bro, exactly what you gotta do, man. You're good, bro. Make money. My ex see me trade for 3 years, helped me buy accounts in the beginning, gave her money back from profits, then left me when I started to profit. Her loss. Yeah, realistically, it is her loss, bro. It's always their loss, man. Actually, it's only their loss if you go and do some crazy shit, you know? If you become successful, start making more money or get more ripped or whatever, then it's their loss. You have to make it their loss. Otherwise, if you just, you know, get upset, start bumming around, then it's your loss. You know, just make bro, get some I don't know, mature enough to know that life sucks sometimes and shit always happens for a reason. Yeah, exactly, bro, exactly. Bro, once we get this trend lines trip going, you'll be forgetting about it, I promise. We'll find you someone out there. That was good, Scalper. How's it going, man? Bro, well, life has pullbacks. Yeah, liquidity grabs. That is the biggest liquidity grab in the game, bro. It actually is. I remember the last breakup that I had was like the day after was the first day I ever went to the gym, ever. And like, you know how that like turned out. So realistically, the best thing that ever happened. Oh. Yeah, man. What's good, Matt? How's it going, mate? Ram Sammy, good morning, mate. It's been a while. Yeah, it has, bro. Welcome back to the streams, bro. Especially when you're not childish stuff anymore. Turning 30. Wait, did you say 30? Turning 30 in 14 days, so yeah, it's more meaningful. Yeah, it is, bro. It is 100%. I'd say, like, yeah. I mean, that's good, though. You're entering your prime, right? Like, apparently the peak, like, male performance and, you know, for women as well is like 30, 31, 32, around that area, so you'll be fine, bro. I promise. See the bright side as well. You can go and have some fun. Without having to worry about, you know, any of that stuff. Think about all the challenges you can buy instead of dates or trips. Yeah, true. Bro, chat, listen. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm thinking of running a trip for the group. So like, I put it in the Discord announcements, but I'm gonna do a trip somewhere. I don't know where. Somewhere in the world. We'll get basically like a massive villa and just run up a trip together. So if you do want to be a part of that, go into the Discord and fill out the form that I put there. Because that's gonna be crazy, bro. Hey chat, well, volume kind of died off, I can't lie. Yeah, Cotton, what country are you in right now? You said you were in Dublin, right? With the Irish. Yeah. Bro, that's gonna be a fun time. I can't lie, that's gonna be a fun time. I've never been to Ireland, but I know they're fun, man. You start cutting yet, Sam? Kind of. Not really on purpose, but I guess like I locked in my diet and I've been running, so I guess I've been naturally leaning out, I'm not gonna lie. Gonna go to the Dublin England football match this weekend, but it was too many people. Bro, yeah. Was that in Ireland? Crazy. Yeah, that would have been sick, to be honest. Yeah. That's a pretty fire trip though around Europe, I can't lie. Queen Liz in the box. Crazy. Watching this 4-hour flip for longs? Nah. I mean, if it flips, then great, but I'm not taking buys on the flip. The stops are going to be big for that, right? It's going to be like 130 pip stops. I want to see some more closures. Well, I actually wanted to see this closure, but obviously we ended up coming up top wick first. So we'll have to wait for a little bit. Maybe see the next 15-minute closure, see how that plays out. After that, the 30, etc, etc, etc. Deny, what's good though, bro? How you doing? Deny Doom. Yo, I got a chat. I got a whiteboard finally. It's just up here. It's actually a game changer. If you don't have a whiteboard, make sure you get one. They're pretty sick. Good Nell, how's it going? Yeah, so you're starting to push down here, which is good. You're either obviously going to come down and just make a bottom wick and reflip, or you know, you're going to essentially form a lower high right now. And once you do that, you should be good to continue down, right, towards 24.84 if you do want to, you know, make that strong push and get a closure that's quite bearish. So right now, I just need to see what sort of closures happen. See some direction as well. Even though we're pushing up right now, you know, you came up top wick first on this candle. You're also sort of struggling a little bit to push up, which is not ideal. So we'll wait for some more liquidity, wait for some more direction, and then yeah, we should be good to grab something right here. Teacher trend lines right now with the whiteboard. Bro, I actually was thinking about that. I should do a video with like a whiteboard and just be like, so, you know, like teachers always like tap on that shit. I actually should run that. Bro, they're actually elite. I can't lie. Like scheming on there. Yeah, if you guys could see what was on there, you'd be excited. What's good, Leche? Chat, can we get to 50 likes today? Can we get to 50 likes? I appreciate you guys very much for pulling up. Guys are killing it at the minute. But anyway, yeah, man. How are you, Bedge? How's your weekend? How's everyone's weekend? What did you guys get up to? Not gonna lie, I had a very productive weekend. I filmed 3 videos last night. 3 YouTube videos. Pretty cool. Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, man. Whoa. Daily coming towards a flip as well now. Bro, I started testing moon phases on a cent account. I'm currently up 90,000 pips, and the max pips was 133,000. Oh, and US 30, okay. Bro, that's crazy. This guy on the moon phases. It works, bro. I'm telling you, it works. How are we? I'm late as fuck. I need to just wake up. What's good, Scott? Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. Trying to catch some pips right now. But yeah, you got a lot of potential. Chat, this week, we don't have much news this week, actually. Monday and Tuesday, we got no news. Literally 0. Wednesday, you got CPI. So that should be interesting. Big news day. PPI and unemployment claims on Thursday, and then Friday, no news again. So only 2 days of news, to be honest. It's not bad, to be honest. It should be a clean week. You should have sort of clear traffic coming through. The institutions don't want you to know about the moon phases. I know, bro. They actually don't. PPI 2, yeah, exactly. Exactly. I'm cold. Wait, let me get a hoodie. We're back. Yeah, chat, you are starting to push down here. You got a 15-minute close in about 20 seconds. Probably going to close bearish here, which is nice, to be honest. I do think you'll probably start to see a push down after this. Yeah, decently strong 15 closure. What's my phone? I have no clue where it is. Good FNAM, how you doing, man? Yeah, I'm very good, brother. I'm very good. How are you? There you are. This is the push down that you were going to see. Again, probably have to wait till the 30-minute closure now, obviously, but should bring you something, to be honest. The 4-hour closes in 44 minutes. 30 closes in about 14 minutes. You should be alright. Yeah, FNAM, how's yeah, that's a good question. Any news from home? That storm looked crazy, bro. Looked really crazy. Very interesting, chat. You need to pick a direction here on gold. 5-minute came down bottom wick first, and now you start to flip. But yeah, anyway, I should have a vlog out today, right? The Germany vlog should be out today, hopefully, if I get it back from my editor, but I should do. So that should come out. It's going to be pretty sick. I think it's a good vlog, to be honest. There's a lot of running, etc. But yeah, it's a pretty sick vlog, I can't lie. Can't contact my parents yet. Their area network's still off. Oh, that's tough, bro. That must be hard. What's good, Raze? Good, what's good? Yeah, what are you guys training today? So Monday, I think I'm either going to go for a run or train legs. Either one. I don't want to do either, to be honest. I really don't. I'd rather do none, but there you are. We have to do what we don't want to do sometimes, right? Day one comment said SG doesn't oil up. That's crazy. Insane. No train, just a class later. Yeah, fair enough. Bro, you're pretty active. I can't lie, bro. These classes, I bet they take it out of you. I can't lie, Matt. And half marathons and shit as well. You're making me look bad. Grealish from Rice scoring against Ireland had to be the funniest shit I've ever seen. Universe was taking the piss. Why? Oh yeah. True. I forgot Rice was, yeah, Irish. Kind of. Alright, chat, you got 5-minute close here in a minute's time. I want to see. By the way, on Friday's stream, we had a trade in London, right? The moment I put this on the screen, the viewers went up by like 50 again. So I don't know if it's Cryptomaniac and his Telegram again or what, but whoever's running the Telegram, I think they're back. Because the moment this came on the screen, it was yeah, crazy. Chat, by the way, I'm not in a trade right now. Well, lads, hope you all had a great weekend. What's good, Dan? Yeah, man, it was good. Thank you very much. How was yours? Okay, good. So the 30-minute and the 1 hour is pushing down. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. 9 minutes till a 30-minute closure, chat. Betsy, thank you now. Yeah, 9 minutes. Realistically, this 30 minutes should push you down. But you can't take anything here because you're right above the support level. You're right above that support. Also, the 4 hours obviously still got no top wick, so you have to be a little bit careful. Have to be a little bit careful here. If you get sort of a closure below, then yeah, great, we'll take it. But until then, we'll probably have to leave it. I got some crazy stuff coming this week and next though. Actually, this month's gonna be crazy. A lot of videos coming out. It's gonna be huge. It really is. I'm super excited for it. And then after that, I've got something even better. There's not like a YouTube video coming out that I'm working on right now, but it's gonna be insane. It's gonna be the most educational thing I've ever done. Most educational resource that there is probably in this trading, like in this section of the trading community. Done with BitGet at Boils My Blood. Speaking of the Irish, yeah, what's good, man? Yeah, I don't know why I use that app, bro. Yeah, Cryptomania, you should show calm around Ireland. You are ripping down here. Exactly like we said, right? Yeah, if you close below 24.91, chat, you've got a clean lower high being made, right? You would have clearly cemented the fact that you've made that lower high. And you should be good to close and continue back down after that. That's good, Jar. Weird seeing your name with a wrench. I don't know why, that just shocked me for a sec. What's good, brother? But let's see, chat. A lot of potential here in about 6 minutes time. Push down a little bit further. Yeah, this could be clean, you know. Watch how gold just becomes gold and fills the range in 6 minutes. Yeah, it probably will. You need a top wick first though, because you need to make sure that you're not just making a bottom wick for the 1 hour to reflip, right? So on this 30 closure, you would need a you know, a bottom wick be formed and then a top wick on the open, right? It's a mandatory thing. To be honest, every time you've closed back below here, you have pushed all the way through. But at least like there's a minimum 24.89. And even when you did that, you still filled the range with the wick, right? So I think you should have a clean position here, to be honest. You have a clean position. Daily sort of reacted off the flip, right? But I think Calm Effects taught me back in the day, but Daily did react off of his flip, and you should be able to essentially push down here. 5 minute closure in 30 seconds, chat. As long as you don't start to fill the range, which you might do, to be honest. You've actually got a lot more room to drive than just this. So you got clean room until 24.88. Need a pullback though, to be honest, chat. I stopped saving me 3 hours ago because I was waiting for deeper 1 hour bottom wick. Yeah, nice, bro. Yeah, this shit's ripping though. That's not what you want. Gonna fill the range without us, chat. 5 minute closed. Okay, you made a bottom wick first, which might be okay. Chat, gold needs to wait just 4 minutes here, and I know what it's like. It's not gonna wait, but we needed to. But lock it in here, chat. There's a potential for positions here in about 4 minutes time. Be very clean in my opinion if we can grab this these sells just here. Otherwise we'll wait, right? But I think you should be okay. So focus up, drop a like if you haven't already. Let's try to get to 50 or 60 likes. And otherwise, enjoy the stream, man. Sit back and wait for these positions. Locus, indeed. What's good, Max? Uh-oh. Chat, it's gonna rip. Yeah, it's gonna rip down without us. Realistically, you should fill the bottom of the range, right? I'm just using 2488.8 as a break-even point just because that's like sort of the next minor support level. Five top wick and flipped. Yeah, I know. That's what I just saw. I was a bit worried about it. You see London session or New York session the best for you? It goes in cycles, brother. One month or 1 quarter, London will be better. 1 quarter, New York will be better. It changes depending on like market cycles. Also depends what's going on, right? Like obviously in the US you got upcoming elections, you got lots of stuff going on. So at the minute, New York's a little bit better for volume. London, we seem to be chilling out a little bit over here in London. Oh. Very interesting. Do we even want to close below? Very, very interesting. Chat, 2 minutes here. Lock it in. Time to focus up a little bit right now. This 4 hour flips would be wild. Yeah, actually would. But I don't... You might do. You got 30 minutes left. We've seen it happen in the past, right? The other thing that you can do, chat, if you get like a weak closure here on the 30 minute, like I don't know, maybe a closure below, or no, sorry, closure like doji, you can look to take some bias to continue back up. But in reality, I'd rather take the sells right now if we can start to close below 2491.8. That's what I'd look for, if I'm honest. One minute here, chat. Are you going to close below? That is the question. $50 seconds, chat. Focus up, man. So essentially, I just want to see a top wick right now, and then on the flip, we should be activated and ready to continue down to the rest of the range, right? Should fill, to be honest, all the way down to 2485 right now. I don't see why not. $10 seconds, chat. Lock it in. And bottom wick first. Bro, of course, chat, of course. Bro, this pair, chat, sometimes, this pair. Sometimes this chat, it's just the most ridiculous pair. Alright, chat, well, listen. If you can come up and make a bigger top wick, we can potentially look at the reflip and break of the lows, but we'll see. I needed to make a big top wick around like 2493.5, and then re-break of the lows, we'll look to take it. So stay focused here. Still potential. You got some room till the advantage point. Top wick break of lows, that might be the only option. Yeah, it's potential. Possible. I even turned my back to the chart. Yeah, bro, I wasn't even looking. Would it not be best to wait for 1 hour and 4 hour? Yeah, most likely, but it's still a clean position. Every time you close below on the 30, you do feel the range down. So, in my opinion, I still think you feel the range down towards 24.85 right now. I just think we're going to do it without making a top wick, probably. Yo, Hus, what's good, my bro? Good, man. Bro, chat. Come on, we know the score, innit? We know the score with gold right now. It's gonna give us setups. It's just not gonna, you know, always give you a setup. So you just have to wait for the right one to form. Like, I can't be taking this right now, knowing that, you know, this could flip up and drive at any point. So, you know, you got a 4 hour close here in about 27 minutes, right? Realistically, the safest play for you guys here now is to wait for that. Yeah, man. Bro, it's just, I don't know, man. Gold at the minute, in London especially. In New York, it's been alright. Like, every single time we get a setup in New York, we've been chilling, right? We've literally got, you know, perfect top wick, flip, etc. But in London, for some reason, it just doesn't like it. And the reason probably is just either market cycles or, you know, the volume. Volume's coming on closures in London rather than, you know, just before the close. You sort of see like a little pop and then you open, you know? And that's why you sort of, like, you notice with the previous 1 hour closure, right? When we opened, instead of like coming up slowly, making a top wick or whatever, it literally pops, makes a top wick, and then the volume dies off. You get like that little spike in volume just before the closure. Or sorry, no, just on the opening is what I meant. But yeah. Chat, listen, it's Monday, right? So, focus up right now. Obviously, if we get a position, great. We'll take it. You have to be able to take the position if it forms, but at the same time, understand when there is something and when there's not. At the minute, we got niche. Doing niche. Cool. Cool. What's up, G? Happy trading week. What's good, GG? Welcome back, bro. How have you been? How have you been, man? Whoa. Baron was good. Anabolic. Alright, good, bro. I'm glad to hear it. I'm glad to hear it. The first time I've heard someone say that. That's jokes. Yeah, man, but listen. I think it's going to be a good week this week. As long as you can navigate CPI and PPI on Wednesday and Thursday, the rest of the week should be pretty plain sailing, right? No news today, which means sometimes chat, well, a lot of the time actually, on a Monday, if you get no news, there's not much volume in London or NY. But that being said, right, we've had a lot of volume this morning in London session, right? You have a sort of 130 pip range you've been pushing in between. You push down 130, push back up 100. So there's definitely been some volume today, but a lot of the time, yeah, a lot of the time you do end up actually, you know, ranging during these no news days. But yeah, the rest of the week should be great. Tuesday should be good, and yeah, I reckon we got a lot of potential. Last week was clean too. What did we do last week? I'm pretty sure I only ended up like 50 pips last week, but still, it was a clean week. I think we were like 4-0. Yeah, 4-0 last week, which was nice, to be honest. It was a slow week though. We had a few break evens. Did we have 3 break evens last week? Nah, 2. 2 break evens last week. But yeah, there was that day, chat. Do you remember last week we deleted about 10 buy stops because it just didn't form exactly how we wanted it? I was like, yeah, I got a buy stop here, chat. Oh shit, it's not flipping. Right, we'll delete. Okay, yeah, I got a buy stop here. Oh shit, and just repeat, right? Was moving mad though. Yeah, that was a crazy day, to be honest. That was a good session. I actually ended up getting a trade like the moment after we dropped off stream on that session because it did form, but oh no, it wasn't the moment, it was like PM session, I think. But yeah, it was that was definitely an interesting day to say the least. But chat, listen, this 4 hours should bring you something good. It should bring you something good. I'm gonna leave this. Wait, I'm gonna leave the form for the trendline strip. I'll leave this in the chat. Why not? Pin that in case anyone wants to pull up. That should be it, bro. I'm actually super excited for that. I can't lie. Been loving traveling at the minute. I know, like, I've been taking a lot of trips. I need to figure out a way to stream whilst I'm traveling so that I can keep streaming for you guys. But it has been fun. I'm not gonna lie, it's been super fun. Got a few trips that I want to take towards the end of the year, but for the next few months, I'm just gonna stay locked in, stay on the charts, and stay streaming. So we should be good, man. Have you been to Dubai? Bro, I got a Dubai trip planned. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but I do need to go check it out. Not that I'm not the biggest fan, but like, I don't know. I'd say I'm skeptical. Skeptical, to say the least. Yeah, I don't know if it's all it's like made up to be. But then again, I haven't been, so I can't make a judgment until I go, right? Hope gold gives us some juice today. Yeah, me too, bro. Me too. I'd love a nice little clean setup right now to start the week off nicely. But again, we can't force that. 5-minute closing here. You are sort of respecting 24.92, which is good. Wanted to stop in Dubai for a few days on the way somewhere else, but it was Ramadan. I'd definitely be that English bloke locked up for some random crime. Yeah, most likely, bro. Most likely. I think as long as you don't do anything crazy, you're probably chilling. Okay, chat. By the way, if we get to 5k subs by the end of September, I'm going to do a giveaway. It's most likely going to be either 5 funded accounts, or it'll be like a monitor, or be something like that, right? Even like a slot on the trend trip, maybe. I don't know. but either way, it's going to be big. Do the trip in Greece and I'll be your tour guide. I reckon I've seen more of Greece than you have, Mark. Yeah, I'm joking. Alright, 19 minutes chat. 15-minute close in 4 minutes. You should be good. Yeah, 15-minute flip here. I think most likely you'll see a push towards the end of this 4 hour. Oh. Or a bottle of Trent. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Maybe you have actually. Nah, I don't know. Obviously not like actual mainland Greece, but islands I've been to quite a few. You gotta teach me to speak, Mark. You gotta teach me to speak Greek. Got Greek Samba for GTA 5. Crazy. 6. Yeah, true actually. You got the quote wrong. Okay, chat. 3 minutes here to the 15-minute close. Long time no see, champs. Back to the space. Pip for week. Hey, what's good, Stephen, bro? Yeah, welcome back, my friend. Welcome back, welcome back. Got a lot of people pulling back up after summer. I feel like a lot of people took some time off. Took some time away from the charts and now they're back. Which is good. A lot of people turning back up. Never left. Some people never left, bro. No such thing as time off. Very true. Chat, 15-minute. Very interesting. Listen, we can't take anything off this 15, right? Because you got a 4 hour close in about 15 minutes after that. I do want to see how that 4 hour does close. Realistically, you want it to close below 24.91. If you can close below there, then great. Either way, I think you should be good to fill the range down, so it's not like a massive problem. But yeah, if you do close respected, most likely, you know, if you do come down, it's going to be a bottom wick rather than continuation, right? But again, as long as this 1 hour closes bearish like this, if it can close exactly where it is now, chat, that'd be super clean. Obviously, that's a big ask because you've got 17 minutes. That's a lot of time. I doubt it's just going to, like, you know, sit still for 17 minutes, but I mean, we'll see. You don't also want it to sit still, right? Because then there's no volume, but yeah, you get my point. You get my point. Yeah, chat. So for September so far, we're 4 wins, 2 break-evens, 0 losses, for a total of 51 pips. We're pushing our win rate up, to be honest. 124 trades taken, 91.1% win rate for this year, which is just ridiculous. I don't know if that's just a banger streak that we've been on. I think it most likely is. 91% is a very high win rate, right? But again, been killing it recently. And we're just going to keep doing the same thing that we've been doing. Literally stick to the plan, stay disciplined. And we should be good, man. But listen, that's if you've been along for that whole journey, something to be proud of, man. And yeah, we'll just keep pushing, man. There's a lot of potential in this community to, you know, continue forward and be great as traders. So stick around and level up with us. Should be good. 91.1% as well. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. That is fucking crazy, to be honest. I don't like saying it because it sounds fake. Saying you got a 91% win rate sounds fake. People will go, nah, you don't. But, I mean, I took it all live, so don't call him Harry Pipper for nothing. True, I had to earn that name. Alright, 15-minute closed doji here. So, again, not bad, actually. You close respecting the level, which is a good sign. But 14 minutes to the 4-hour close. That's really going to give us the most potential here. Yeah, chat. Can we get to 75 likes on today's stream? Make sure you drop a like if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys very much for pulling up. But yeah, make sure you guys show some love to the stream. Completely free, right? Completely free. So drop that like. And yeah, it really does help out. It actually really does help. Whoa. I'm tired. But again, no excuses, right? Oh, 15-minute top wick first. Yeah, so that's not bad, chat. You got a nice little top wick there on the 15, if I'm honest. Could be higher low on the 15. Yeah, I guess it could actually, you're right. Most likely I think we just continue down there. Yeah, you are sort of respecting, but could see this 15 flip, fill the wick maybe. Again though, 4-hour close, 12 minutes, not too bad. Not long to wait, chat. Just be patient here. Focus up. We should be able to get a position. I'm going to actually bait the Telegram group in right now. It'll bait and switch here. Yeah, I'm not in a position, by the way. So you guys know. I want to test something out, though, because I genuinely think that... I genuinely think when we do this, we get... Whoa. Went up 10 already. Right, actually is the cheat code, I can't lie. So funny, bro. Crypto Maniacs, I swear he's got his Telegram back. Because on Friday when we had those trades, we randomly jumped up to like 130 for a bit. Very, very funny. Okay, 5 minutes closing in about 1 minute. 1 minute 30. Very interested to see what we do here. Interested to see how the 15 reacts. His 15's definitely got, like, I mean, it's still got no bottom wick, right? But W Telegram. I know, bro. But yeah, is the 4-hour going to close above, chat? That's the other question we need to see. If the 4-hour does close above, what can we do? Well, realistically, not too much, right? You're not even, like, I guess you have a 30-minute bullish closure. You could look to take something off of that, maybe take like a fake out or something around that. Otherwise, you need to just wait realistically. Time to push back up here towards the end of this 15-minute candle. Or the end of the 4-hour candle, sorry. 1-hour celery? Maybe. Morning, brother. How you going, fam? Took the scalp buy when the 30 closed at 24.90. Half entry on the wick, 24.88. Back on the 15-minute break of the high. Closed all at 24.94. Crazy. Good shit, bro. Congrats. A huge trade. 1-hour celery. Yeah, 1-hour celery is kind of clean. You're right, Mark. 30-minute fake out too. Continue back up is not bad. Have to be sure that it's not a, you know, it's not a lower high being created. But yeah, not too bad, brother. I don't think I'd take the celery because then you're already nearly at the top of the range, right? You want something that's a little bit closer to down here. You don't want to be taking a position when you've only got like 18 pips of room towards the top of the range. It gets a little bit difficult. 5-minute close, no top wick though. Very, very interesting. Yeah, you most likely see a push down from here. That's so funny how that works. Every single time, chat, I'm telling you. You get at least like 13 pips. Should lead into the 15 flip potentially. UV, what's good? Hello, brother. How's it going, man? Friday trade of yours worked out, fam. First entry was BE, second trade ran for 55 pips. Yeah, you got a better entry than me, so I hit break even. But yeah, good stuff, bro. That was a clean trade. It was a clean trade. I'm glad you caught it, my friend. I'm glad you caught it. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Very good question. I see myself in a warm country, in a very nice apartment. I see myself owning multiple businesses. Well, I do already, but like, I mean, I see myself those businesses, you know, doing very well. Potentially with a family. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, you just gotta make sure you're on the right trajectory. I think I'm on the right trajectory to do all of that stuff. So, yeah. I mean, listen. Life takes me where it takes me, but at the end of the day, if you do everything right, then you can sort of help guide yourself there. Little SG is going to be goated. For a little SG, he's going to be... First class he takes is going to be Hippology. Guy's going to be reading candles before he can read English. He's also going to be able to bench 100 kg by the time he's about 7. The moment he's born, I'm just going to put a shitload of protein powder and creatine in his milk. Eugene, that's crazy. I'm concerned for you. That 15-minute pushing down here. You got 6 minutes to this 4-hour close, chat. How are you going to close is the real question. Is the real question. Yeah, you did ruin the moment. I'm not going to lie. Mark, I'll time him out for you. Yeah, I got you, Mark. Yo, what's good, KB? How's it going, brother? Yeah, Eugene's going to jail for sure. Okay, chat, listen, 5 minutes though to the 4-hour close. Focus up here, lock it in. Hopefully we can grab something here. All good and you? Yeah, I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. Thank you. You too, Mark. Let's see if we can push down here. Would love to see us close, but it's funny, we stayed below 24.91 for the whole 4-hour candle, and then the moment it you know, decided not to, or to come towards the close, right, you started to push back up a little bit. But we'll see how we close here in about 4 minutes time, chat. See how we close, because again, a lot of potential here. A lot of potential. I'd love to see us close below 2491.9, so 2492 basically. If you can close below there, then great. D Complex, what's good, brother? Welcome to the streams. Yeah, I know we can reach 75 likes before the 4-hour close, right? I know we can do it. Okay, 15-minute flipped here. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. So it depends what you're going to do here. Depends what the move is, chat. You might actually, that might not be a good thing, because you might start to fill the range without us. Not really what you want, to be honest. Oh, reflips. Very interesting. A lot of volume here coming into the market, chat. It's good, right? It's good to have a little bit of volume before the 4-hour close. Hopefully it can follow into the 4-hour close and give us some positions, right? But just focus up here. 90 viewers without a trade. Yeah, trust me. Good to see, man. Good to see. We still have the weekly range to fill as well. So it could somehow leave runners to NY. If we could somehow leave runners to NY, that'd be crazy. Yeah, 100%, bro. That would be clean. I'll give you that. That's the plan anyway. Listen, yeah, you've got a weekly wick fill as well. All the way down until, yeah, 24.71, right? There's a lot of potential right now. Prime SG is back. I love that, bro. That's nice. That's nice, man. Okay, chat. So if we close like this in 2 minutes, I'll be waiting for a top wick and then flip, and then we'll be looking to take sells to continue down. Break-even point most likely, if you close like this, will be the wick fill. Otherwise, it will be 24.88 if there's not enough room in the wick fill. And yeah, that's what we'll look for. But you just need to come up top wick first, realistically. Top wick around like 24.93 areas would be great. Obviously, the bigger the better, but around that. What did we do last time? Let's see. I don't even think we needed a top wick really last time. Yeah. You had already filled the range by the time you could have got a top wick. On the 30 though, what did you do? Yeah, it was like around 24.92.5. Okay. One minute left, chat. Lock it in here. Focus up. Locus up, man. Can we grab ourselves that top wick that we are so desiring? In 40 seconds time. Is it even going to close below? That's the real question. Is it going to close below? And if it does, is it going to give us a top wick? Those are the two things you need to ask yourself. Actually, you don't need to ask yourself. You just need to wait for it. Mad. Chat, you close respecting. Yeah, you closed respecting, chat. Wow. That is very, very interesting. And the 4 hour did close bearish, right? And you closed actually on the 4 hour, you know, you didn't close respecting. I mean, you closed respecting 24.91, right? But I guess your only other level would be 24.92.21. But look at the 1 hour. You got so many rejections at this level here. Very difficult. Making a top wick too. Yeah, let's see, chat. Let's see what happens here. I want to see how we sort of open up here. And I'll wait for a few more closures. We'll stay on for the next like sort of hour or so. I do think you got some potential, right? But yeah. Listen, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Yeah, chat. Just give me literally 2 secs. I'll be back in a bit. Yo, okay, we're back. My bad. So, bro, I had to... A fridge, little water dispenser thing on my fridge wasn't working. Chat, interesting. Very, very interesting right now. So you're looking, to be honest, you've come up and made a big top wick. If we look at the 4 hour too, I mean, you close respecting 24.90, right? You closed above that. However, you did close below. Oh, you kind of closed at it, which is a little bit difficult. 24.92.2, which is your other 4 hour level. One thing I would say is, obviously, now you've got a top wick. You should probably expect to push down. But again, you have to be careful because you did close respecting. So what we can do is we can go back to our levels and wait for like a 15-minute closure below the level after you make that top wick and flip. And that's when we could take our sells, right? But until then, I can't take it just because we did close respecting on the 1 hour. Because school is starting and I'm going to have a really busy program and there's no way I can trade during the day. Do you think it is going to... I think it's a good idea if I wake up at 5 and trade till 6 my time? Did you say 6? Yeah, that's going to be during Asian session, bro. But yeah, like that would be 3 a.m. my time. So that would be like peak Asian session. You could do. I think you probably have volume, right? If you just go back on the charts and look at like what it does at 3 a.m. I mean, most of the time it ranges during Asian, right? But there's definitely some volume that you can take advantage of, for sure. You just gotta get used to it. But what I'd say is, bro, you're probably better off trading the PM session. Like, try and trade the evenings. Trade like, I don't know, 8 o'clock your time is 6 o'clock my time, which is perfect. I'd trade like 8 o'clock your time. You'd be fine. Yeah, that'd be a great time to trade, or 7 o'clock around that time. That's literally the start of the PM session, which is like 5 o'clock UK time. Is there volume at 8? Yeah, you're 8. Yeah, definitely, bro. This is a candle at your 8 o'clock from Friday. It moved 120 pips. This was the candle you were trading last week. I remember you asking me if you could take the trade. Yeah, there's definitely volume that late into the day. 100%. But chat, listen. Alright, you've got 22 minutes here to the next 30 close. Realistically, you got a little bit less to wait if you wait for the 15. More volume at your 8 p.m. than your 6 a.m. Yeah, definitely, bro. 100%. 100%. Chat, you're tapping into this level though right now. Tapping into this level at like 24.94. It's interesting. Hopefully you can start to turn this into a support, right? On the 15 or the 30. I do believe that realistically you are going to be able to get some good positions, especially if you can flip here. You can flip on the 30 minute and close below. You should be good. You should be chilling, to be honest. So let's see, chat. Let's stay focused, stay locked in, and understand there's definitely some potential here, right? You just have to be patient. But chat, what are you guys training today in the gym if you're training? Let me know. Hits and triceps. The lovely day for a Monday. Everything. Mad, everything. Hits and triceps. Most people train that on a Monday, eh? Good old chest. Good stuff, Daniel. Chest. Right, why is everyone training chest on a Monday? That's funny, bro. Everyone wants to train. Bro, look at that. I told you, bro. I put the thing on the screen. It just bumped up 30. Is that a vape? Yeah. The whiteboard pen flavored vape. I got legs. Yeah, me too, bro. I might actually have to train them though. I've skipped legs the past few weeks because of my runs. I'm too tired for legs. I hear that, bro. I hear that. That would have been a clean trade. But yeah, listen, there's a lot of potential for another entry right now, chat. A lot of potential. So all we have to do is just wait for certain things to form, right? We need the 1 hour to flip. Realistically, you've got no bottom wick. If you just continue to push up, I can't take any buys. with the 4 hour like this, especially just on the open. So I want to see us come up like we've just done, tap into this level right now. This would have been the top wick area we were looking for. This would have been the exact top wick area we were looking for. However, obviously you did close respecting on the 1. So now I want to see that top wick being made, which you've done, and then a closure below on the something like the 15 or even the 30. And then once you do get that, we'll take some sells to continue back down. And that'll be clean for us, chat. That's a great position. Also, guys, if you didn't know, I trade New York session as well. So I'll be streaming live for New York session in about 3 hours time. We take a short little break, like 1 or 2 hours. But yeah, after that, I will be streaming New York in about 3 hours. So make sure you guys pull up for that. Subscribe if you are new. I've got a new video coming out today as well. So much value, it's ridiculous. Also got some giveaways coming as well. So yeah, it should be insane. Make sure you pull up for that one. SG's killing it in MY. I appreciate you, Atomic Habit. Yeah, we have been smashing MY, to be honest. At the minute, we've been smashing MY. Got a lot of trades there, and to be honest, a lot of clean positions. So it's good. I appreciate it, though, Atomic Habit. That means a lot, brother. Mika, welcome back. What's good? What do you do in between sessions? That's a good question. In between sessions, I normally, if I've got time, I go to the gym. Today, I won't have time because we're streaming a little bit later. But if London finishes early, I go to the gym. Otherwise, I'll just go get some food after this, maybe, and then I'll do some work or like either record or edit a video. Normally, I schedule my Instagram posts. I take some calls as well. Like most likely, I'll have a call this evening. Sorry, not this evening, this morning in between. And then, yeah. Amine, what's good? What's up, G? How you doing, brother? You're pushing here. You got a lot of volume, which is great. You're grabbing a lot of liquidity if you do want to come back down. Realistically, you might see us tap and grab this top wick for the 4 hour. Which is actually interesting. I don't know if Omar, you're in here, but bro, is that not your position? Oh, the scout buys. That's what you were telling me earlier. Smart, bro. Yeah, that's clean. That's clean, bro. Good stuff. But yeah, chat, I recorded three new videos yesterday. Today, I've got the Germany vlog coming out, so you guys don't want to miss that. You guys enjoy the day in the life, so I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure you guys enjoy the day in the life videos. So, that being said, man, make sure you subscribe if you're new. Obviously, we stream every single day, London and New York, so definitely not something to miss. But yeah, let's lock it in here. Let's see if we can grab some positions. So the 15 minutes going to close in about 1 minute's time. 1 minute time. You are going to close above, actually. So you're making a new high. You might have a market structure shift here, chat, actually. You might start to see, you know, instead of lower lows and lower highs, you've now started to make some higher highs and higher lows. Obviously on the lower time frame, right? On the higher time frame, you're still somewhat bearish, right? Yeah, like on the 1, you're still pretty bearish. But on the 15, you are starting to get a little bit of a market structure shift. Which is interesting. If only you had a bottom wick on the 4 hour, you'd be able to get some nice buys here. But at the minute, we just have to wait and see. Because for all we know, this could just be a top wick for the 4. Like, look at that. You wouldn't really want to sell that. Sorry, you wouldn't want to buy that at the minute with the way that there's no bottom wick. Cool. So, bro, what do you do on the weekends that benefits your trading? That's a good question, man. To benefit my trading on the weekend, well, realistically, at the minute, most of the stuff I do on the weekend is related to other businesses or other sort of stuff. So let's say, you know, like content, etc. But what I used to do is I'd spend the weekends either back testing or, you know, essentially going over the charts. What I do now though is on Sunday evening, I look at my journal from the previous week, take a look at how we performed, what we could have done better, and then I also just do an analysis for the week. So if you guys didn't see it, yesterday I sent it into the trading floor on the Discord. I sent in my full analysis, right? Like a, a big, clean analysis right here. And that is essentially exactly what I do before the week starts. I just like to do a full analysis, check the higher time frames, see what areas we have. And yeah, that's what helps me out a lot, to be honest. But yeah, backtesting is good, I guess. Otherwise, to be honest, yeah, just review your journal, review the data from your setups, and you should be good. That makes sense? Hopefully it does. Hopefully that makes sense, but that's exactly what you should do. If I take a weak entry sell here, where should I put the stop? What do you think? I wouldn't be looking for sells just yet, bro, but if I was you, if you're taking stops, if you're taking sells, your stops need to be above this area here at 2500. Only 47 pips, but you can't put it above the previous 4 hour because the 4 hour has no top wick. So for all we know, this could come up and grab a top wick and then still reflip. If your stops were there, it'd just take you out and then flip, right? So because of that, your stops are going to have to be above 2500 basically, which is good anyway because 2500 is a strong level. So if you pushed above there, you're most likely going to continue to push up anyway. So that's what I would say, bro. That's a clean area for stops, to be honest. What are you saying, SG? Hey, what's good, Will? How's it going, brother? Oh. But chat, listen. I want to see what this next 30-minute closure does. I still think we've got a lot of potential. Let's try and get us to what, 75 likes? That'd be huge. Out of context, bro. I can't speak on that, my friend. I don't know. I don't know the information, right? I don't want to speak on other people's names or anything at the minute. Above 98 is so clean. Yeah, it is, bro. Above 98 is clean, but the thing is, you need to get a bottom wick on the 4 hour. That would either mean the 1 hour has to close and then you come back down and then reflip, you know, grab a wick and reflip. Otherwise, yeah, I don't know. Mika, you gotta pull up to my NY session streams, bro. They've been killing it recently, I can't lie. But yeah, chat. Let's see here. You got a 5-minute close here in not very long. In about 1 minute. You are tapping into a level here on the 5. If you were gonna reject, this is the last place you'd reject, right, for a top wick. Otherwise, you might just continue to push up. The daily, has the daily just flipped? Daily's come towards a flip. I think it did flip though. Yeah, you did flip on the daily. So buys might be clean, chat, to be honest. Above 24.98. Essentially, the 4 hour doesn't need a bottom wick, right? Essentially, you don't need one. But again, I'd rather us have one. Either way, if you're going to take a position when the 4 hour has no bottom wick, I would want some form of a, you know, some form of a higher time frame closure, like a 30-minute or a 1 hour, sorry, closure, before I take that. Otherwise, just, yeah, impulse. Can't wait, bro. Yeah, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, they've been killing it so far. We've been doing NY for like 3 weeks, I think, 2 weeks. I think there's liquids above. Yeah, I do think it needs to push up here. I think you probably make a top wick for the previous 4. I think you most likely do that, to be honest. Oh. Big yawn, man. Chat, I'm going to be bringing out a load of resources soon, to be honest. A load of resources. One of which probably being a playbook. The rest being secret projects. Secret projects, man, that you guys are going to love. Okay, well, what did the 5 do? The 5 closed respecting 24.96. I think you might just continue to trend up to the top of the range here, chat. Secret group mission to Cape Town. Oh, that's going to happen, bro. You got to fill out the form. But yeah, that's going to happen. I don't know if it'll be Cape Town, but it'll be somewhere. Chat, whilst I've got you here, man, if you guys need to re-up on your funded accounts or you need a trusted prop firm that you want to get, make sure you go to use code SG at ACG or Funded Trading Plus. These are both the firms that I recommend, man. They're banger firms, to be honest. Yeah, if you need a new account, I do believe they've got discounts on, but both of those are 20% off anyway with code SG. Make sure you use that. And yeah, those are the ones I trust. I don't really trust any other firms at the minute. Last 4 hour candle closed without a top wick, that matters. It does matter because I think you can go up and tap and grab that top wick before doing anything else, right? I do think you'll probably come up and grab it. It also matters because you can't put your stops on the 4 hour, right? Because otherwise, if you do put your stops on the 4 hour, it can come up and grab that wick and then reflip and then you're in trouble, right? So it does matter. But it depends on the closures that we start to get, to be honest. You have a discount for Apex, bro? Nah, I wouldn't advise using Apex either, to be honest, bro. But yeah, I don't, unfortunately. I wonder if code SG works on Alpha Futures. I doubt it does, because I haven't even spoke to them about it, but it'd be funny if it did. Okay, so the 5-minute flip, 15-minute flipped here, very interesting. After you ended up closing no top wick as well. You might see us start to push here. We did actually respect that level at where is it, 24.96. You might actually see us, you know, end up coming down and yeah, that essentially this being the top wick, right? But obviously we need confirmation for that. We have to wait and see. The 30-minute close is in 6 minutes here, chat. So that being said, right, if you do start to close above 24.94, you could potentially look for some buys up to fill the range. Actually, it needs to be above 24.95. Sorry, not 24.94. Has to be above this level here. Only concern would be that 4 hour no bottom wick, right? Oh, 5-minute might flip. Oh. But a closure like this on the 30 realistically could lead us up to the top of the range, right? If you grab a bottom wick first. So that being said, we can definitely look for some potential off this 30-minute closure. Otherwise, we might call it till NY, but we'll see. So lock it in for this next 30-minute closure here in about 5 minutes time. And yeah. Okay, chat, cool. So 5-minute closed. Weak bearish, somewhat. Next 5-minute top wick first. Very interested to see, chat. This 30 should tell you a lot, to be honest. It should tell you a lot, and depending on how we close and open. Do you see candlestick patterns as important or not really? If so, do you think we should focus on certain instead of trying to understand everyone because there's a shit ton? Yeah, Mark, I was thinking that. I'm pretty sure you're right, bro. I'm pretty sure you're right. Candlestick patterns. It depends what you're talking about in terms of candlestick patterns, right? If you're talking about like, you know, let's say like onion plays or whatever, you know celeries. Yeah, kind of. For me, you'll notice we've changed the way we trade a little bit in the past few months, right? I don't know if you guys have realized that, but the way that we trade has changed towards being more essentially understanding market structure, understanding where liquidity should be and should drive to. We still obviously just wait for breakouts, but like that we understand more the way candles print and how that determines where the market's going to move. But in terms of, yeah, doji, hammer, engulfing, yeah, I do, to be honest, bro, I do take notice of all of those. So doji, obviously we take notice of. Hammer as well, essentially is just a no bottom wick candle, right? Hammer candles like something like, wait, let me find an example here. Like this, right? No, that's the other way. Why is there no examples? Something like this, right? A little bit. I mean, this one's got too big of a wick for me, but I guess like this is a hammer candle, you could say. I take notice of that for sure. Sometimes that means a reversal. Engulfing as well. Like, let's say, you know, you engulf the previous candle. For example, this one is. That's a good sign that you're going to continue, right? But you can't give it too much of a weighting, right? The rest of your stuff is the most important stuff. So, you know, thinking about liquidity, thinking about how much of a bottom wick we've grabbed, thinking about, you know, did we leave a wick fill? What's the market structure right now? Those are the most important things. Otherwise, yeah, that's a hammer candle right there. Yeah, good shit. Bro, Elijah. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce your name, bro. It's so difficult. Yeah, those are the most important things, I would say. I guess candlestick patterns are not really that important. They do tell you some things, but not too much. Just use them as like an extra compliment is what I'd say. In my opinion, I think you should learn how to read them and not just learn a pattern. Yeah. Mark, you're right, bro. Mark's exactly right. Bro, we got serious Mark before GTA 6. Insane. We got unironic Mark before GTA 6. Look, rolling around with that's a tune, to be honest. You nearly got rolling around with malicious intentions. That's actually a screamer. Yeah, locking the fuck in. Good stuff, Mark. I appreciate it, bro. Leonard, what's good? Welcome to chat, man. Would you consider market conditions choppy today? Yeah, a little bit. They're not like massively choppy. It's not just like a choppy range. To be honest, you've got some clean positions here. You just haven't really formed. So you got some clean structure is what I meant. You haven't really formed any entries though for us. But to be honest, we were pretty certain that you were going to push down here and then you were going to make a top wick. So it's not overly choppy. I'd just say that you need obviously an entry to be printed. We haven't got you know, an exact entry just yet, but yeah. I feel like you get a picture of how strong your support resistance is. Yeah, I think people think that when you say you trade support and resistance, all you look at is, oh, did you close outside of support? Yes, take a position. Like, no, that's not how we trade, bro. Like, that's not what we do. You know, I would say we trade more price action than we do support and resistance, you know? Like, yeah, we take support and resistance into it a lot, but most of the plays that we're taking are based off of price action. Yo, Bit Me Some, what's good, brother? How you doing, my bro? I see you always commenting on my IG. Showing some love, I appreciate it. Hopefully things are good with you. Chat, 30-minute closed here, man. You closed towards the top of the range. So, yeah, not the best. Realistically, chat, I'm going to say we're most likely going to wait until New York. And we're going to be streaming New York in about, what, 2.5 hours time now. So I don't actually have much time. But, yeah, I want to stay on here. But, again, I don't know if we're going to grab anything. Yeah, you're pushing up here. I think, to be honest, chat, the next thing you're going to do is you're most likely going to push up and grab a top wick for the previous 4 hour. Whoa. Yeah, I think you're going to go and grab a top wick for the previous 4 hours. So that being said, right, I think what we'll do here, chat, is we'll call it a session for now. And I'll be back in 2.5 hours for New York session. So make sure you guys, you know, stick around for that. Pull up. But anyway, if you are going to dip right now, make sure you go show some love. Drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's try and get to like 80 likes for today's stream. And also subscribe because I've got a lot of content coming out. Most likely after today's New York session, I'll have a clean video coming out. And yeah, it's going to be it, man. We'll play the pixel letters right now and we'll call it a day. I think it's, well, not a day, we'll call it a session. Remember, chat, it's only Monday. New York should bring you some good volume. Hey, Bad Dog, what's good, bro? Welcome back. Yeah, I'll catch you lot in NY, right? Make sure you guys pull up to that though, for sure. But let's finish off these letters and then I need to get some food, bro. I'm absolutely starving. Nah. Yeah, what's in the box, Eugene? What's the word? First letter G, maybe? I think it might be this. Don't know what the last letter is. Chimp. I thought cheek, but it can't be cheek. It doesn't necessarily have to be this either. Wait, let me just test something out. Yeah, see, I thought it was. Yes. Chief? Nah, it can't be that. Chat, what's this word? Chess? Can't be chess. Cheap. Yeah, that's it, bro. Good guess. Good shit, La Leche. Good shit. I can't believe it still hasn't been beans. How is that possible? Oh. Tense, right? Yeah, man. Alright, chat. Final one. Final one. Don't you find it funny how since I stopped playing copyright music, we're back to like somewhat old viewer numbers? That's so funny, bro. I wish I realized that earlier. Really wish I realized that earlier. That's crazy. I appreciate you guys anyway. Thank you for showing love recently. It's been great, man. Golds? Can't be that, bro. Angle. But stop saying random words. Okay. What is this word? Oh. Oh. What? Quota? Gotta be quota, right? Yeah, is it quota? It's gotta be. Yeah, man. Alright, W's, chat. Big dubs, man. I appreciate you guys very, very much for pulling up. You guys are killing it at the minute. Quota is indeed, man. Lovely stuff, bro. Chat. Thank you guys very much. You know what? I'm gonna do a giveaway later in NY. I'm gonna do a giveaway later in New York session. I don't know what it is yet. I'll figure it out. But I'll definitely do a giveaway later in NY session. So make sure you pull up to that in about 2.5 hours time. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your session if you are trading, and enjoy your morning if not. And yeah, man. Peace out. I appreciate you guys very, very much. Again, I can't play the music. 1 month sub to your OnlyFans is crazy, Scott. But yeah, bro. Have a great one. Peace out. Much love. Bye-bye. Sad that I can't play the outro music, but there you are. Maybe I'll just sing it myself. I'll just be like, I ain't been broken up. No, I'm joking. Alright, chat. Peace out. Much love.